Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the BlueStack on your PC. You can download the BlueStack easily from the Google Chrome. So you have to download that and you have to install it. And after an installation process, you have to open it. So we are going to open the BlueStack. So let's write the BlueStack here and now click on this. And after opening the BlueStack, it will take few seconds or few minutes. And after that, you have to wait for few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the BlueStack is open. Now we have to click on this, make it full screen. And after that, we have to write the game name here. For example, I'm going to write the game name here. As you can see, this is the game. So simply let's click on this. And after clicking on this, you have to click on this button. As you can see, here's the button install on app player. So let's click on this. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So we have to wait. So as you can see, the game is here. If you want to check out the game details, you can also do that. Like the download are 5 million players and the size of the game is 1.8 GB and the reviews as well. Now simply you have to click on the install button, and after clicking on the install button, it will take few seconds or few minutes in installation process. And after that, you have to click on the play and the game will be started. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.